Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I'm working on putting together with this tubing and a rectal syringe, a special effect using a lot of blood to the head. It can also be applied to the different parts of the body on the actor as well. Flushing that straight through there, having another person pump it with a rectal syringe filled with blood. You test it with water first, of course, as I've said before in other videos. I'll show you how that's going to come out later on and what type of scene I'm going to use it in. For now, it's proving really difficult here in the Philippines to get your cast and crew together due to COVID. Everyone's getting back to work, doing their regular jobs and catching up on bills. Alright, so that's what's going on for now. Just testing this effect and effects like this, and I'll let you know in the future how that's coming out. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel. Join the Morbid Team Entertainment group, Barter, Buy, and Sell, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Paul Morbid, Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.